this video I'm going to be making it specifically for M104 at IUK, and this is topics that are found in section 3-1 part A. Alright, we're going to be dealing with systems of linear equations. This is going to be introducing the systems of linear equations to you, so conceptually that you understand what a system really is. I want to start off here with saying that a solution of a system of linear equations is an ordered pair that satisfies both equations. Alright, so down here in this first example, here is an example of what a system of linear equations looks like. It is two linear equations, can be in any format. Alright, it will have a solution, and that solution must be written as an ordered pair. Alright, so in this type of question here, they're saying, okay, consider this system, and then determine if the ordered pair 2, -4 is a solution of this. Alright, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to take this ordered pair here and you're going to plug it in to the top equation and plug it into the bottom equation and see if you get a true statement. So I'm going to take, let's just write it here so I don't have to rewrite it. Of this ordered pair, 2 is x and y is -4. Okay, so I'm going to take my top equation, which is 3x plus 4y equals -10. Alright, I'm going to take x and y and plug it into this and see if it equals -10. So I'm going to have 3 times my x value, which is 2, plus 4 times my y value, which is -4, and then question mark above the equal sign because I'm checking to see does this equal -10. Alright, so left hand side, it's just a matter of working this out. This is going to be 6 plus, this is going to be -16. Alright, and then does that equal -10? Well, if we add here, we get a -10, and yes, that does equal -10, so it works in that one. Now, I'm going to take the same ordered pair, and I'm going to plug it into the second equation. So 5x minus 2y equals 18. Again, plugging in for 2, in for x, and -4 in for y. So 5 times 2 minus 2, plugging in the y of -4, and then asking myself with a little question mark above the equal sign, does this equal 18? Alright, again, doing a little bit of math. 5 times 2 is going to be 10 here. Alright, the minus and the negative there is going to make it a plus 8 on this side. Does that equal 18? And the answer is yes, it is, because 18 equals 18. So again, we have a true statement. Okay, so from there, alright, let's shorten this up a little bit so I can write a therefore statement, a conclusion here. So because this ordered pair works in both of the equations, to make them true, I can conclude, therefore, that the ordered pair 2, -4 is a solution to this ordered pair. Alright, I can draw that conclusion. Alright, if you would have worked this out and it would not have worked in the first one, or it wouldn't have worked in the second one, alright, then it would not have been a solution. But since I plugged it in and it worked, then it is a solution for this system. Alright, now trying to stay with this concept. Alright, another type of question that they could pose for you to see if you truly understand that the solution is an ordered pair. Alright, it's going to say find the solution set to each system with the given information. So they give you, again, 2 equations, alright, and they tell you x equals -2. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this x and we're going to plug it into one of those 2 equations up there to find our y value. Alright, so I'm just going to pick the top one because that's already solved for y. So let's take y equals -2. I'm going to replace x with this -2 and then -1. Alright, continuing to work there. That's going to be a +4 minus 1, which is going to give me a y equals 3. Alright, so then my system, my solution to this system is going to be a -2, 3. Alright, so let's write down here solution. Alright, must be written as an ordered pair. The x value is -2, the y value is 3. Alright, you can come back up here and check and do a quick check in your head. I've already plugged it into the first one. Let's plug it into the second one here and see if it works. If I plug a -2 in for x and I plug a 3 in for y, if we can do that in our head, that's going to be a -2 plus 6. -2 plus 6 is going to give me a 4, so it checks. So this is the solution to this system given this information. Alright, so another example, alright, of this. Let's say they give us x plus y equals 6, y equals 2x, and then let's say this time they give you y equals 4. Alright, again, I'm going to plug y equals 4 into one of those two equations, and it really doesn't make any difference which one. Let's plug it into the top one. We'll have an x plus, replacing y with 4, equals 6. Going ahead and subtracting 4 from both sides, I'm going to have an x equals a 2. Alright, which then would tell me that my solution would be the x value of 2 and the y value of 4. Okay, obviously I've already plugged it into the top one, which verifies yes it works. If I take x equals 2 here, 2 times 2 gives me a 4, which spits out the right y value, so it checks in both equations. Alright, so at the very beginning of this section, just a couple types of questions that they can throw out to you to make sure that you conceptually understand that the solution to a system of linear equations is an ordered pair. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, be sure and share with a friend so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.